What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Bumblebee from the Transformers. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the nose. We're going to start at the very top with a straight line. Now on the sides, draw another straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. And we'll just close off the bottom to create a rectangle. From the bottom corners, draw a straight angled line coming down and out. And then again, we're just going to close out the bottom with a straight line. And you want to connect the top corners to the outside corners along the bottom with a straight angled line. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's line up the top of the eye over on the right and draw that same size circle. Let's trace each of the eyes along the inside. So we'll start from the top and leave an even space gap all the way around. Now I'm going to go back to the top corners of the nose and draw a straight angled line going up and out above the eyes, towards the side of the head to right about there. Let's bring this out and down towards the side of the head. And we'll angle this back down and in towards the chin. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Now you want to add a curve underneath the eyes, starting from the nose, from the bottom corner, come down, and then up towards the side. Now in between the nose and the chin, we're going to draw a circle, starting right in the middle, go all the way around towards the bottom, and bring that back up towards the top. Let's add two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Now I'm going to go back to the bottom corners of the chin, draw a straight line going up. Now we're going to go out to the side of the head and draw two lines. From this point, we're going to step up, draw a straight line coming down to right about there. Let's line this up on the right, come down toward that point, towards the bottom. Now you want to round up the top. Starting on the left, go up, and then bend that back down. Let's go down to the bottom, curve this down, and then up, just lining up with the top. And we'll close off the outside with a straight line. Let's add some vertical lines along the inside. We're going to start right in the middle, draw one line coming down. Let's separate the sides in half. Now from the bottom of that inside line, we're going to curve the bottom of the head, come down, underneath the chin, and we'll bring that back up on the right side. Let's go back to the middle and add that center piece. We're going to start over on the left side, draw a straight angled line going up and out. The same thing on the right, going up towards the same height. Now from here, draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top of the head. Let's connect the top with a curve going up and then down. Now from the top corners, let's step in, draw two angled lines coming up and in. Close off the top with another curve. Let's add a few horizontal lines in the middle. So start on the left, draw one line going across, step down, draw another line, step up toward the top, and draw that once more. Now from the top corners of that centerpiece, we want to step down, curve the head, going out and then down, and we'll line that up on the right side. Let's bend this out and down towards the top of that center line. Now place those extensions across the top corners of the head. From this point, let's step in, angle this up and out, and then line that up on the right. Let's round at the top, come down toward the side, and then following this angled line, come back in towards the head. Let's take that same curve and draw it down below. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start over on the left side, draw a straight line coming down towards the hip, move over towards the right, draw that same length line. Now I'm going to place the lower torso on top of the body. So we're going to step out, draw a straight line going all the way across, from the hips coming down with a short line. Now I want to angle this down and then in, leaving a gap in the center. So I'll start with the left, coming down and in, coming in from the right, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's add some detail to the upper body. In the center, we're going to step down, start with a point. Now from here, we're going to angle this up and out towards the left with a straight line. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. Now I want to duplicate this down below. So we're going to start on the left, come down and in, and angle that back up. From the hips, let's step in, angle this up and in, and we'll close off the top. For the inside corners of the lower torso, angle this up and out. Now you want to tuck 2 half circles along this top line. So we'll start on the left, coming down and then up. Now we're going to go back and work our way down towards the feet. From the bottom corners, angle the legs, coming down and out towards the heels. And we'll flatten off the bottom of the feet. So we'll start with the left side, going all the way across. Now on the left side, we're going to curve the foot going up and then in to right about there. And then we'll take this line, step up, and draw that again. Let's go to the top of the toe cap, bend this in and then down. From this top point, draw a straight line going up. I'm just going to pull that all the way in towards the inside of the leg. Now from the outside corner, step in. We're going to follow this angled line going back up and in underneath the hips. Let's draw one more line in the center of the leg. Let's go back to the toe cap and draw in a circle. Now we're going to go all the way back up towards the top and draw on the shoulders. Let's start from the top of the body, angle the shoulder going up and out. Come down and out along the side of the shoulders. I'm just going to pull this straight in towards the body. Let's separate the outside. We'll step in, draw another line. Let's go back to the inside of the shoulder, angle the arms coming down and out. Let's flatten off the wrist, going up and out towards the side. And we'll follow this line, going back up and in underneath the shoulders. Let's add a trim along the bottom. And now I'm going to go back to the inside corner and draw a half circle for the thumb, coming in and out. Close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and bend that up around that bracket. Step down, go out and then up. And then the third finger, we're gonna go around and just pull that in towards the outside corner of the wrist. Now I'll finish off by signing art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Bumblebee from the Transformers. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, then please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.